going to be tough. Obviously last year we were the element of surprise, and to finish third was fantastic. To get into Europe on our debut season was amazing. To do that again, like I said, I think it will be tougher this time round. Teams know how we play, they know our personnel. So it's important that we start well. It's important that we're ready for this battle. And like I said, I do think it'll be tougher this time round.
I think that's the problem when you have such a good season, especially when no one's expecting it. Now, with that pressure, people are waiting for the wheels to come off the bus, as they say. So anything below third, it's going to be looked as a bad season. But I think the lads are thriving on that pressure, and we're looking forward to it, and we want to, push on and see if we can go higher.
I don't really think you can say there's many dark horses. Everyone's really got a fighting chance. Just look at us last year. Not many people give us a chance, and look where we ended up. We keep up the same standards as we set last year, and hopefully we'll be in that top 3, maybe even top 2.
I don't see myself as a striker. I am more of an attacking midfield, number 10. Don't get me wrong, if I won the Golden Boot it would be amazing, but I think first and foremost for me, I want to be in and around the goals. I want to create goals, and if I'm playing well, then I know Llandudno, I'm sure we'll be doing well as well.